Some performing arts organizations. Chapter 1. Performing arts organizations worldwide. A list of theater organizations worldwide at aact.org/international-theater-arts-organizations. American Association of Community Theater. AACT.org. LinkedIn.com/company/American-Association-of-Community-Theater. Instagram.com/AACT_theater. Facebook.com/AACT.org. YouTube.com, AACT. NCATC.org, INCTAC, the European Network of Cultural Administration Training Centers, NCACI. AITIATA.net, the International Amateur Theatre Association, AITA/IATA. ITI-worldwide.org, ITI, the International Theatre Institute, ITI. AICT-IATC.org, IATC, the International Association of Theatre Critics, IATC. Critical Stages, IATC Journal. Critical-stages.org. A list of drama organizations at Backstage. Go to the website backstage.com/resources/search/professional-organization. To get details for the following organizations: Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS. Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. Actors Equity Association, AEA. The Actors Fund. Alliance for Women in Media. Alliance of Motion Pictures and Television Producers, AMPP. American Association of Independent Music, A2IM. American Cinema Editors Incorporated, ACE. American Cinematheque at the Egyptian and Aero Theaters. American Guild of Musical Artists, AGMA. American Guild of Variety Artists, AGVA. American Humane Association Film and TV Unit. American Screenwriters Association, ASA. American Society of Cinematographers, ASC. American Society of Composers, Authors and Publishers, ASCAP. American Society of Young Musicians, ASYM. Art Directors Guild and Scenic. Title and Graphic Artists. The Association of Celebrity Personal Assistants. Association of Independent Commercial Producers, AICP. Association of Talent Agents, ATA. BMI. California Arts Council, CAC. Cinestory. Commercial Casting Directors Association, CCDA. Costume Designers Guild, CDG. Directors Guild of America, DGA. DocuLink. Film Festival Group. Film Independent. Filmmakers Alliance, FA. Hispanic Organization of Latin Actors, HOLA. Hollywood Foreign Press Association, HFPA. Hollywood Radio and Television Society, HRTS. Horror Writers Association. The Humanitas Prize. Independent Film and Television Alliance, IFTA. Independent Filmmakers Project, IFP. International Alliance of Theatrical Stage Employees, IATSE. International Documentary Association. Location Managers Guild of America. Motion Picture Association of America, MPAA. Motion Picture Editors Guild. Multicultural Motion Picture Association, MMPA. Music Video Production Association, MVPA. National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences, NARAS. National Association of Broadcast Employees and Technicians, NABET-CWA. National Association of Latino Independent Producers, NALIP. National Conference of Personnel Managers, NCOPM. National Council of La Raza, NCLR. New York Women in Film and Television. The Norman Lear Center. The Organization of Black Screenwriters, OBS. PEN. Producers Guild of America, PGA. SAG-AFTRA. Script Writers Network. Society of Camera Operators, SOC. Stage Directors and Choreographers Society, SDC. Talent Managers Association, TMA. The Black Filmmaker Foundation, BFF. Women in Film, WIF. Writers Guild of America, UGA. Quickly browse through Call Sheet's searchable database of professional organizations to find key details, links, contact information, and more for all of the top entertainment industry unions and support organizations. Performing arts organizations at backstage.com/magazines/articles/arts-organizations-change-lives-10443. ActorsForAutism.org, Actors for Autism. Artspring.org, Artspring. Florida City. Program for Women in the Florida Department of Corrections. BelarusFreeTheater.com, Belarus Free Theater. Caney.org, Creative Alternatives of New York. New York City. Drama workshops to psychiatric patients at Mount Sinai Hospital. ChangingLivesYouth.wordpress.com, Changing Lives Youth Theater Ensemble. Austin. CreativeAction.org, Creative Action. Austin, Texas. DramaClubNEC.org, Drama Club NYC. New York City. HerStoryTheater.org, Her Story Theater. Chicago. Inner-cityarts.org, Inner City Arts. Los Angeles. PlaybackTheater.org, Playback Theater. New York City and worldwide. Improv-based storytelling. PrisonArtsSTL.org, Prison Performing Arts. St. Louis, MO. SafePlace.org, Safe Place. Brings kids and teens together to create performance pieces. SLArmyChicago.org/promise/Annis-House, Salvation Army's Promise Program. The Dreamcatcher Foundation.org, The Dreamcatcher Foundation. TheFreedomTheater.org, The Freedom Theater. Palestine. TheGlobalTheaterProject.org, The Global Theater Project. Los Angeles and Florence, Italy. A list of nonprofit arts and culture organizations at invn.ai/company-list/top-arts-and-culture-non-profit-companies. Asia Society. AsiaSociety.org. New York. Partnerships between Asia and the United States through cultural exchange, education, and policy initiatives. Bengal Foundation. BengalFoundation.org. Dhanmondi, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Bengali music, arts, literature, and crafts. Berliner Philharmoniker. Berliner-Philharmoniker.de. Berlin, Germany. Orchestra based in Berlin. Bolshoi Theater, Moscow. Bolshoi.ru. Moscow City, Moscow. National Theater. Boys and Girls Clubs of Philadelphia. bgcphiladelphia.org. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Services for Disadvantaged Youth. Calouste Gulbenkian Foundation. Gulbenkian.pt. Lisbon, Lisboa, Portugal. Various activities in the fields of arts, culture, and education. Carnegie Hall. carnegiehall.org. New York. Music performances and events. Dutch National Opera and Ballet. operaballet.nl. Amsterdam, Noord-Holland, Netherlands. Opera and ballet performances. FAI, Fondo per l'Ambiente Italiano. fondoambiente.it. Milano, Lombardy, Italy. Protection and enhancement of Italian art, nature, and landscape. Fondazione Teatro Massimo. teatromassimo.it. Palermo, Sicily, Italy. Promoting and preserving the art of music, opera, and dance. Ford Foundation. fordfoundation.org. New York. A social justice organization that focuses on addressing inequality. Fundação Orquestra Sinfônica do Estado de São Paulo, Fundação OSISP. osisp.art.br. São Paulo, Brazil. Promoting classical music and supporting composers. Kites India. Kitesfoundation.org. Kochi, Kerala, India. Preservation of Indian art and culture. Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts. lincolncenter.org. New York. Sydney Opera House. sydneyoperahouse.com. Sydney, NSW, Australia. Mellon Foundation. mellon.org. New York. The Andrew W. Mellon Foundation is a philanthropic organization dedicated to supporting the arts and humanities. National Arts Centre Centre National de Arts. nac-cna.ca. Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. North Carolina Museum of Art. ncartmuseum.org. Raleigh, North Carolina. Educational programs, exhibitions, and events for art enthusiasts. OSISP Foundation. fundacao-osisp.art.br. São Paulo, Brazil. Supporting the São Paulo State Symphony Orchestra. Reliance Foundation. reliancefoundation.org. Focus on rural transformation, health, education. Schneider Museum of Art. Southern Oregon University. Ashland, Oregon. sou.edu. SGAE. sgae.es. Madrid, Spain. Dedicated to the defense and collective management of intellectual property rights in performing arts, audiovisual and music. Shinkong Mitsukoshi. skm.com.tw. Taiwan. The foundation collaborates with Shinkong Mitsukoshi department stores to create a cultural environment. Tate. tate.org.uk. London, England, United Kingdom. Archive of British Art. The Anglo-Mexican Foundation. tamf.org.mx. Mexico, Ciudad de Mexico, Mexico. To strengthen the cultural ties between Great Britain and Mexico through language teaching, teacher training, and cultural events. Chapter 2. Dance, Drama, and Music Organizations. Dance associations, organizations, and societies. AUSA.org, American Orff Schoolwork Association, Music and Movement Educators, AOSA. ancos.org.au, Australian National Council of Orff Schulwerk, Music and Movement Education, ANCOS. orffcanada.ca, Carl Orff Canada, an exciting and invigorating approach to music education. operd.org/NDA, National Dance Association, an association of the American Alliance for Health, Physical Education, Recreation, and Dance, NDA. sdhs.org, Society of Dance History Scholars, SDHS. Drama associations, organizations, and societies. ASTR.org, American Society for Theater Research, ASTR. HistoricTheaters.org, Theater Historical Society of America, concerned with the architectural, cultural, and social history of America. Music associations, organizations, and societies. Classical.net/music/link/musicerg.html, societies, organizations, foundations, and associations. Abmusica.org.br, Academia Brasileira de M&Uacuit, SICA, Brazilian Academy of Music, in Portuguese, ABM. Academy of Saint Cecilia.com, Academy of Saint Cecilia. The Academy is a learned society devoted to early music, interpreted loosely as music dating before 1825. SantaCecilia.it, Accademia Nazionale di Santa Cecilia, National Academy of Saint Cecilia, in Italian, ANSC. AGOHQ.org, American Guild of Organists, AGO. AMC-music.com, American Music Conference. In spite of its name, this is a society website, not simply a website about a conference.